Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Bin 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. Kazim Oladimiji, aka KC, the Great, and this is where you get to know everything regarding cryptocurrency, from the news to the market cap to the chart analysis and to event of the day. Also, knowing the sentiment that has been coming out of the place. This is where you get it. All right, let's dive into the show and see what is going on this morning. If you look at my screen right now, Bitcoin is going deep. Solana sees red and Bitcoin faces internal and external pressure. XRP moves higher, but this is just temporarily bounce. All right, now let's dive into the major news. What you can see on the screen right now is crypto market cap falls to November 2021 level following Bybit hack and the meme coin bust. Also, that has made Bitcoin on yearly low and even Shiba Inu implementing aggravated and Solana far too close to $100. Another news on the radar, and this one is about altcoins, and this is Ethereum price remain crushed despite new precedent at the Ethereum Foundation. You know, I told you, I said a lot of things has been going wrong with the Ethereum governance and all of that, and probably they need to change the people in charge. And now they have a new president, but yet he's not doing well yet. But we are going to see what is going to bring to the table. And now let's talk about US spot ETF. US spot Bitcoin ETF sees record outflows worth $1 billion US, and you can agree with that because we can see BTC is tanking and there's possibility to continue dropping. But we're going to take a look at the chart and see what is going on. All right, let's take a look at another news, and this one is from GameStop. GameStop CEO acknowledged proposal to convert its $5 billion in cash to Bitcoin. And speaking of that, we all know MicroStrategy has been buying a lot of BTC, and they've changed the name to Strategies Bitcoin. And you can see that forced liquidation of Strategies Bitcoin holding highly unlikely despite recent market rout. Strategy stock plummet over 11%, sparking concern over forced liquidation due to its significant Bitcoin holding. However, analysts believe structural safeguard and convertible notes make this scenario improbable despite recent market volatility. So I don't think we need to panic, because if strategy should go into a sell-off, is really going to affect the BTC market cap. So we're going to see how that unfolds. Let's take a look at another news on the radar, and this one is crypto stocks underwater following US economy data and Bybit's $1 billion theft. You can see on Tuesday cryptocurrency company stocks plummet due to disappointing US economy data and a $1 billion hack on a digital asset exchange. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, XRP, and Solana all experienced sharp decline but have since recovered slightly. Don't worry, we're still going to check the chart out to know what we need to do regarding all these cryptocurrency. And another news, this is coming from Bybit, and Bybit is now ready to offer $140 million US in bounties to track down its stolen Ethereum. And this is what is said. Bybit, a Dubai-based exchange, is offering $140 million US in bounties to trace or freeze 1.4 billion stolen Ethereum on related tokens. The platform launched a bounty dashboard for users to submit leads on the stolen funds. So the chase has begun, and we hope they recover the stolen fund. All right, now speaking about our exchange, this is another big name when it comes to exchange. We all know FTX exchange, talking about FTT token, and the founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, has been in prison due to mismanagement of client funds and all of that led to Binance and other exchanges showing us the proof of fund or the proof of reserve, you understand. And you can see after 2 years, Sam Bankman-Fried breaks silence and sending FTT token above $2 briefly. So that's what I have for you on the news this morning, and those are the news that are making the wave right now this morning across the globe. In case you want to know more about the news and the space, you might want to follow me on TikTok to get more news out of the space. Also, you can follow me on this channel, EP149, and please subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can always get the juicy content. All right, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok as well, so you can always be part of the nugget that I drop daily. Now let's dive into what the economic calendar is looking like. And if you look at the screen, we do not really have much of important news coming out of the economic calendar. We only have the new home sales, the crude oil inventory, and the G20 meeting that is going to happen around 2 p.m. UTC and GMT, or 3 o'clock and 3:30 UTC and GMT respectively. So we might just want to wait for those data and see how they're going to affect the market kind of. All right, let's check the cryptocurrency market cap and know what is going on. If you look at the cryptocurrency market cap, you see that we are now down to $3 trillion cryptocurrency market cap. I mean, even at some point we were below 3 trillion for the first time in some months, and now it's trading back at 3 trillion 22 billion US dollars. And you can see 24 hours trading volume is about 193 billion US dollars. See the trending coin SUI is among the trending coin, having recovered with 6.5% in the last 24 hours, and top gainers, you can see them right there. Now let's take a look at what the top 20 cryptocurrency market looks like. Excuse me. Right now, if you look at the rank, you can see number 1 is still Bitcoin, number 2 is Ethereum, and they are above more than 7% drawdown since the last 7 days. Number 3 is Tether, that's USDT. Number 4 is XRP, and it's been down almost 11% in the last 7 days. And number 5 is BNB. Number 6 is Solana. Solana has been down with 17.7% in the last 7 days. USDC at number 7, Dogecoin at number 8, Cardano at number 9. You can see Dogecoin also has been down with 17.7% in the last 7 days and 11.6% in the last 7 days for Cardano. Number 10 is Lido Stake, Tron at number 11, Wrap BTC at number 12, Wrap ETH at number 13, Chainlink at number 14, and Chainlink also has been down with 15.7% in the last 7 days. SUI at number 15, Avalanche at number 16, Litecoin number 17, and Stellar at number 18. And you can see Litecoin and Stellar also, they've been more than 10% drawdown in the last 7 days. And you can see number 19 is Toncoin, while Shiba Inu has made it back to number 20 and is trading at 0.00001424, and it's been down with 7.8% in the last 7 days, and it has gained about 4.2% in the last 24 hours. So those are the cryptocurrency market cap list or rank. So if you want to know the top 20 or the top 100 of this coin, you might want to check out coingecko.com to know much about that. All right, let's dive into what a lot of you have been waiting for, which is the chart analysis. But there's nothing special about the charts today. We all know all market will be selling. If you look at BTC, it's still a sell. Don't buy yet. Still a sell. Ethereum is still in the sell mode. Ethereum is still in a sell mode. SUI is now a buy. SUI has now activated a buy. You can buy SUI and put your stop loss at 2.6. Let's take a look at XRP. XRP is not a buy, but it has given us entry point at 2.36. So we're waiting for it to cross 2.36. And our stop loss will be at $2. Let's take a look at Avalanche. Avalanche also is now a buy, while the stop loss will be down here at $20. Let's take a look at AAV. AAV is not a buy yet. Stay away from it. Let us take a look at Solana. Solana, it's a buy right. It's not a buy yet. We need to wait for it to break 147, and if it does break that, then our stop loss will be at 140. Let's take a look at ADA. ADA also is trying to break above, but it's not a buy yet. We need to wait for it to break above 0.70 cents. Let's take a look at Toncoin. Toncoin, it's a buy right now. Toncoin, it's a buy right now. Stop loss at 3.3 US. Our stop loss is at 3.3 US dollars. So that's what Bitcoin and other altcoins look like. Remember, this is not financial advice in any way. This is just for education and entertainment purpose. Before you invest in any cryptocurrency, make sure you do your own research and trade with the amount of money you can afford to lose. Don't let anyone influence you. Okay, now let's dive into the meme coins, and of course we're starting with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is not a buy yet, but we have entry right there at 0.21, and if that should happen, our stop loss is going to be at 0.19. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu entry. Shiba Inu is a buy already. Shiba Inu is a buy already, and our stop loss right now is at 0.013. Let's take a look at Pepe. Pepe is a buy as well. Pepe is a buy already. Pepe is a buy already, and stop loss is down here at where to get into the market at $1. If it should break above $1, you can buy Ondo, and your stop loss will be at 0.9. Let's take a look at X. X also, it's a buy right now, and the stop loss is at 0.0000478. Let's take a look at Notcoin. Notcoin is a buy now as well. Notcoin is a buy now, and the stop loss would be right down here at 0.0022. Let's take a look at Dogs. Dogs is a buy as well. Dogs is a buy as well, and that's the stop loss. Let's take a look at Nero. You can see yesterday I told you Nero is still a buy. We just moved the stop loss. Now we are now going to move the stop loss to 0.02. Nero is still a buy. Let's take a look at Dogs. Dogs are Deep, excuse me. Deep now, it's a buy, and the stop loss is at 0.1299. Let's take a look at Popcard. Popcard also, it's a buy, and stop loss is right there at 0.1894. Let's take a look at Trump Coin. Trump Coin is not a buy yet, but is building up. If Trump Coin can break above 13.6, we can get into the market and put our stop loss down here at $12. Let's take a look at Millennial Coin. Millennial Coin is not a buy yet, so please look like. Remember, this is for spot traders and investors that are going to hold it for some time. If you're interested in trading derivatives, leverage trading, margin trading, and all of that, you might want to join my Discord channel or my Telegram channel. That's where you can get a signal. But this is for crypto spot trading and investors. And this is not financial advice in any form, it's just for entertainment and educational purpose. All right, that's that on the chart analysis. Let us take a look at what the sentiment is looking at. And if we look at it, we're still sitting on extreme fear. Yes, yesterday was extreme fear. Today is extreme fear. Last week was fear. Last month was greed. So, and I'll tell you something, when we're on extreme fear, that is when you should start accumulating little by little. But you don't just jump into the market. With the chart analysis I've given you, you can use that to do your own research, make your own financial decision, because this is not financial advice, to know the token you want to invest in, and make sure you trade with the money you can afford to lose. So right now the market sentiment is sitting on extreme fear, and that's what I have for you on the show today. Thanks for joining me. This is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. I am Ahmed Olad Kazim, aka KC the Great. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, please, you might want to do that right now. Subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get more content from me. Also, you can follow me on X, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to get more of this nugget. Until I catch you tomorrow on another wonderful packed episode of this great show, it peace out.